Whenever we think about South Indian breakfast foods, we usually only think of idli, dosa, or medu vada. But we never imagine that there could be roti as well. So today, let's make Akki Roti, which comes from South India. And this roti is gluten-free because it's made from rice. I've taken 2 cups of rice flour here, and we'll put it in a bowl. And now I'll add finely chopped onions and cilantro to it. This Akki Roti is actually quite flavorful. It's not like the plain rice roti you usually get. And now I'll add green chili and a small piece of ginger. We'll also add finely chopped curry leaves. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to this. Akki Roti also has fresh coconut, so we'll add about 1/4 cup of fresh coconut as well. And now finally, let's add salt. And now I'll mix everything together well. Then, by adding a little water, we'll make a soft dough. The soft dough is ready. If the dough sticks to your hands while kneading, you can apply a little oil. You can't keep this Akki Roti dough for a long time. Because we've added a good amount of vegetables to it, they will release their water and there's no gluten in it either. That's why, unlike wheat dough, which we can keep for 2 or 3 hours, we won't do that at all with this. We'll make this dough ball a little bigger too, so that when we spread it, we can spread it nicely. Also, Akki Roti is not supposed to be very thin anyway. Now you can't roll this Akki Roti on a rolling board with a rolling pin using dry flour like you do with regular rotis. I've taken a Ziploc bag here, and we'll spread the Akki Roti on top of it. If you don't use a Ziploc bag, you can also use a banana leaf. Now, this Ziploc, I lightly apply some oil on top of the bag first, so that the roti doesn't stick at all. And then, just take a dough ball like this. We'll make the roti by gently pressing it with our hands. Now, it depends on you how big you want the roti to be. And after spreading it in the roti, just like we make holes in a thali pith, we'll do the same here. Then gently lift the roti and place it on the pan. Apply a little oil and cook the roti. You can also make this roti with ghee. And now we'll cook the roti on both sides until it gets a light golden color. And we have to cook this roti only over medium heat. So, the delicious Akki Roti is ready, and today I've served it with cranberry and tomato chutney. I've already shared the recipe for that with you all. Presented by Totally delicious, must try.